Everyone who wills can hear the inner voice. It is within everyone. Mahatma Gandhi. All of us have within us an inner reservoir, an inner source, deep inner source of knowing, an intuitive font. And when we listen to this, when we are true to what we deeply hear within, we are led, and we are always led in the right direction. I have to say that the only times in my life that I have ever gotten myself into trouble is when I didn't trust my intuition about something I should do, about someone I should trust, whatever it may be. Every particular situation that was difficult was presaged by an experience of an inner voice telling me, be careful, don't go there, whatever. So for today's practice, let us simply take a few moments to be quiet and to tune in to the inner voice within, to ask it to be there for us, to make itself known, to express its guidance. And then all we have to do is listen. But if we ask for it, it will show its face and we will hear its voice.